Hi everyone, Dat Bimmer Guy here, and I want to thank you sincerely for checking out the channel. On today's episode, we have what you get when ordering the Adams Polishes $70 mystery bucket. If you're anything like me, you're a weekend warrior, do-it-yourselfer when it comes to all your detailing and car cleaning needs. So you see these things out there, these offers like from Adams, that you can get a mystery bucket for $70, but they're going to include a minimum of $120 worth of product in this bucket, but you just don't know what you're going to get. So I took a leap of faith and ordered the bucket because I figured I can at least see what kind of products we're going to get. Not just the product themselves, but the quality. I started just like everybody else, used Mothers and Turtle Wax and all that. And then over the years, detailing kind of went more mainstream. And so you started moving on to things like Chemical Guys. But I can tell you when you try Chemical Guys against better products, it just doesn't shine. It's not what I would really want to be purchasing. I've heard really good things about Adams and I wanted to try it myself, but it can be kind of intimidating when you look at the website and see really how expensive some of their items are. If you want just an interior detailer and it's $15 for a bottle, it can add up really quickly. So the mystery bucket, I think, not just for myself, but a lot of people out there wondering, seems like it might be too good to be true. So let's open it up and see exactly what we get. So I haven't even seen what's in here yet. I just cut this open to make this easier. So let's see what we all have. Okay, we got the Eco Wheel Cleaner. We got some of the CS3. Some interior detailer, which is great, mint scent. We got some car shampoo. And we got bug remover. Some liquid air freshener, which my E38 could definitely use. Ooh, clay. That is absolutely fantastic. That is something I'm going to use. We have all of the spray nozzles that we could ever need for that. You can see in the bottom here we have a grit guard in our actual bucket. We have a nice fine little like microfiber rag here, or a lint-free one I should say. So that's fantastic. We have additionally a nice little brush. This looks like it's like a wheel brush to me. So that's absolutely fantastic. That's a nice little haul. So in my opinion, I was pretty happy with what I received in the mystery bucket. I went on the website and totaled it up, and the total was roughly $157 worth of product. And with shipping and tax, it was something like $82 or $84. So I nearly doubled what I had spent. Granted, there were a couple things in there that I'm probably not going to use, and clearly that's the part of the mystery bucket is Adams has products that they can't move, or they're slow sellers or whatever, and so they throw them in. Like I don't think I'm going to be using the bug remover very much, but it is a pretty good alternative to a strip wash. The car shampoo is pretty highly rated from what I've seen, so I'm excited about that. the clay bar system is real great. I'm excited to get that. I did try the wheel brush. It seemed to clean out the barrels pretty well, and the Eco Wheel Cleaner. So I use those. In fact, here I can show you that now. If you take a look, the wheel cleaner did a very good job. Ignore the chipping on the M parallels here, but it really did a good job. The wheel brush of getting into the barrel, and that is probably the cleanest that these wheels have ever been outside of when they were new, and it did a very good job of taking the brake dust and the road grime off these wheels. I would also like to note that I used the CS3 that I received, as it is a ceramic detailer product, and I figure that it'll do a good job of protecting the wheels and make it easier in the future to clean off more dust and road grime. I would also like to say that in no way is this video sponsored by Adams. I did this completely on my own, just seeing as it's a question I feel a lot of people have, such as myself, that you want to try out different detailing items without really breaking the bank. So ultimately, I would say that it is worth the price of admission. You can't do too badly on it. I really do wish it would have been a little bit better. They would have gave me some more mainstream product, but I'm not complaining. I made out on the clay bar system and the car shampoo. I did try the air freshener. It's mediocre at best. So just kind of like anything else, a lot of these products are going to be hit and miss, but that's okay. For the grand total of 82 or 84 or whatever it was I spent, I am satisfied. I can't wait to use that woolly brush more on my other wheels. I think it'll do fantastic. The Eco Wheel Cleaner did really well. I may update at some point as to some reviews on some of these other products as I try them. So I would definitely highly recommend just giving it a try. Or if you're looking for something a little bit cheaper, maybe trying the Adams Mystery Box at $30. You're not going to get a bucket or the grit guard or anything like that, but it's not going to break the bank. You'll get in a little bit cheaper, get a couple things, and especially being in May, they have some Cinco de Mayo special editions, so they're different scented, different colors, all that kind of stuff. So ultimately, I would like to wrap it up and say, yeah, this is great. I would highly recommend it. It's fantastic. So thank you to Adams for making a fun little grab bag, mystery bag thing. And I'm definitely going to grab one again in the future. So thank you for watching, and look forward to updating you guys as to what I'm going to be doing in the future. Thank you.